Well, guys, it's snowing hard outside, and everything is white out there. We got about, on the ground about 4 to 6 inches. I am putting in another workbench upstairs while the storm rages on outside, trying to expand this around the corner. I'll have plants in the window there, but I'll still have a place to work. I'm just thinking I have to trim this off because it's just a ½ inch too tight. But they're absolutely going to shrink. So they're going to dry. I got to figure that out, and that's where I'm stalled right now. That hits now, but I guarantee, you can see this gap here. I guarantee they're going to shrink a ½ inch. But anyway, I'm going to have a workbench today one way or another in here. Wrap around and have a lot more space. Well, that's done. We got another 2-3 inches while I worked in here. I went and trimmed it. Made it fit. There'll be gaps. It's going to dry. It's going to shrink. It's wet out, but it is what it is. I need to work. There. Got the plants back in the window. I can't put much else on there because it's wet. And I don't want to wreck anything or prevent that from drying. Boy, we got a lot of snow. I hope that shows. It's early in the morning. I'm up early. But we got another storm warning. We got about 1 foot of snow. Under the trees is never as much. But out there, we get a lot of snow. And another probably 3 inches on the way, they're saying today. We are really stuck for now. We'll have to dig our ways out, or our way out. The trees are heavy. Does that show up? The trees are really heavy. I'm gonna have to dig out the solar panels so we can get some light, some energy. It's not much solar when it's so dark and cloudy. Yesterday was just snowing nonstop and really dark. So I'm hoping in between snowstorms today we can get some solar power. And we'll see how it goes. It's warm though. It's 36 degrees, but it's going to drop and plummet into like single digits. Yuck. Not looking forward to that. Hopefully the snow will be an insulator. Hey guys, we're still digging out, and now we get another wave coming. We have been working. It is brutal on solar power right now. Absolutely horrendous. I've got everything shut down. We had to clear out the lot, the gate, outside the gate. Out here is 1 foot of snow. But I'm losing my solar power again. I've been sweeping them. Well, you can see all the snow I swept off. It's insane. You can see how deep it is over here. And we got another wave coming. Another round. Look at that, the fire pit, the chairs are buried. It's gonna get even more. Michelle has a snow hill. I've been too busy to record that, sadly. But we'll get it another time. She's been sledding down that hill. It's funny. Anyway, well there you can see 1 foot of snow on those barrels. It's deep. Well, I'm gonna get my camera in. We're still clearing out. Our birdies, they're looking for food. It's getting harder to find their food. There's some beautiful birds there. Look at that. That's special. I don't know what it is, but it sure is. It's got green feathers. And this, I don't know what that is. We got a whole barnyard mix. Look at that beast. That is a meaty bird. He's going to be for next year. That's going to be the father. There's the mother. That's going to be next year's batch. I think those are Rhode Island Reds. Her and him. They're so big they can barely walk. They waddle. Anyway, and there's a barnyard mix. He might have to lose his head. I like him because he looks great. I love his colors. He's a barnyard mix. But he's going to lose his head probably because he keeps biting people. You're good girls, aren't you? Are you a good girl? Alright, I'm going to get the camera in. We are buried. It just keeps snowing. I gotta dig the girls out of the hole they put themselves into.
that one is so beautiful with the tree from here with the blue behind. It's so beautiful. Looks
She
like
says, look at the trees, how beautiful with the blue behind them. It is all white out here. I've been sweeping this off repeatedly, multiple times every day. I gotta do it again now and see if we can get some power. For the first time, it looks like we might get some light. First time in days. Oh, good, it's gonna come off smooth. There was some ice on it the other day and it was making it impossible to sweep. Michelle's gonna get buried. Michelle, look out, avalanche. Careful, don't lean on him. Yeah, I know, we gotta get them all cleaned off. I wasn't able to get the angle adjusted because of my rib, and this is no fun, I have to be honest, but it's gotta be done. Alright, look out, Michelle, I'm gonna swamp you with snow now. I'm bringing it down. You're gonna get a shower. Oh, that hurts bad right there. Now these ones still have some junk on them up there, but it'll melt off in the snow. Yeah, see, there's still some junk when the... Careful, don't lean on the panels, Michelle, please. When the snow comes down from the trees, it splotches up the panels and sticks. That's going to take some time to clean them off better. But half of them are good. We'll work on them. I'll come back out in a while. There, that's starting to melt off already on the top panel already. Those four are going to take a few minutes because there's more snow on them. And it's harder to brush off. When it drops out of the trees, it compresses down. But they'll clean off now. It'll be a matter of minutes and I'll have good solar coming in. I hope it's a sunny day because we need it bad.